Welcome to our classroom location edition of What's the Buzz with Miss Hardy and Mr. Ruggiero. This is a very exciting edition of What's the Buzz. Not only am I in our room, but this is our Unit 4 first check of what's going on. I'm so excited. I love Unit 4. It's my favorite unit that we get to teach. And I'm excited because class has gone so well today. So I'm hoping that everything's going to be great. So let's go through our What's the Buzz. So important dates on December the 21st, which is the last day of school this year. We have an early release. Winter break is from December the 22nd through January the 2nd. And our exams are January 11th through January the 18th. We're going to get more information about that in the next couple of weeks. Also, Common Lits this week. I have not pulled the Common Lit that was due today, A Child of Slavery. But that was due today, and we have one on Wednesday. It's called the Scottsboro Boys. And students were told on Friday that we're going to do Khan Academy lessons. The syntax lessons, they're already assigned. And I have some kids who are cooking with gas and doing them. They're due on the 21st as well. We're beginning Unit 4, Tradition and Progress this week. It is very important to keep up with your assignments. All assignments for this week are on Google Classroom. Just to show you what that looks like, here we go. So if you go to, and I'll use fourth block because I always use first or second. If you go to their Greek and Latin root words, their vocabulary for this unit are on there. And I went ahead and just put the SAT, ACT word list on there just in case and it's harder for them to find. So in their stream, they can find it, or they can go all the way down to Unit 4. Content introduction assignments. What I want to show you is that everything that we're doing this week is in there. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The links, the handouts, everything. So if your child's not going to be here one day, we still need the work done. Because one of the things that we've noticed over the course of this semester is when our babies are out, it stresses them out, number one, to come back and have to catch up. Because this hive does not stop when one of our members aren't in it. So all of the things that they're going to need are in there. So if they're out, or if they forgot something, they need to get their notebooks together, they didn't get to see everything they need is in there. Like I said, like Prego is in there. So let's look at what we're doing this week. So today, we did a TED Talk about the Great Migration as our entry activity into Unit 4 Tradition and Progress, and our anchor text for this unit is A Raisin in the Sun. And then we did some interactive notes about the Great Migration. Tomorrow we're going to watch the Eyes on the Prize, episode 1, about the historical lens leading up to this particular text that we're dealing with. On Wednesday, we're going to look at the biographical lens, but doing some research on Lorraine Hansberry. We're going to do a 3-2-1 protocol. We're going to do a one-pager about her. And then we're going to have, hopefully it won't be homework, but it could be if we don't finish. We're going to do a soapstone protocol on a Smithsonian article. On Thursday, we're going to do Dream Deferred, which is the poem that sort of is the catalyst for the novel by Langston Hughes. We're going to do a structural analysis of that, and we're going to do a closed reading activity about background information for Act 1. And on Friday, we're actually going to start reading Act 1. Also, we have our vocabulary quiz for section 14. One of the things we're doing for the first 20 minutes of class for the next 2 weeks is we're going to work on editing and writing paragraphs. So we're going to do a beginning sentence correction exercise on Mondays. And then on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're going to write a paragraph. So we're going to pre-write on Tuesday, actually write the 5 to 6 sentences on Wednesday, and edit and revise on Thursday during that 20-minute time frame. So that's the buzz this week. I'm excited. I think it's going to be a great week because we're cooking with gas in the hive today. So we're excited. I encourage you to ask your students about what they learned today about the Great Migration, and to remind them about their Common Lits on Mondays and Wednesdays in December. Are they working on their Khan Academy at home? And ask to see their notebook. We should have 3 pages of our notebook done already so far. The beginning sentence correction is page 1. Our TED Talk is page 2. And our Great Migration interactive notes are page 3. So look for that when we have our last and final notebook check of the year. And I am thinking about trying to make that happen either before they leave for a break or after. Have a wonderful day, and we will keep buzzing in this hive. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.